Hello friends, welcome. Welcome to live's session. So we have some few announcements to make. Some tutorials are added also. You can join and let others join. I will make the announcement. And meanwhile, I hope you are enjoying the tutorials. Daily we are coming at 7:30 and for this discussion and live, so I can answer your questions or your feedbacks are important to us. So will be regularly I am coming online so to discuss with you all, so you can put your questions here or in the below the tutorial, so those questions I answer it here. Friends, this let others join. So we are slowly moving all the one by one, creating all the widgets. So in the TtkBootstrap we are using, so that's gives a better look and feel. So you can achieve that, and it's another. It's like same as Tkinter only. It's another layer only. So the color and the themes you can change easily. So easily you can give a better look to the app whatever you are developing. So that is why TTK, and plus there are some new apps also it gives. So particularly the meter, float gauge and all, and then data table is there, though there is a data picker also. So those things works quite well. You can and the colorful, it's taken from the bootstrap style. There are 5 or 6 different styles you can add to it, so it looks very nice, good looking. It's a professional look will come, and you can create your customized theme also. That we will discuss on a tutorial one. We'll discuss that, and now you can see the tutorials on this. Friends, before we move further, my request is please hit the like button and subscribe our channel also, so you'll get all the notification, and tell your friends also to join. So daily was at 7:30 we are Indian Standard Time. You are joining, coming online for this technical discussion. You can ask me questions here or in the below the tutorial. So we'll have a useful technical discussion. This will help you in further learning. We are regularly adding a lot many tutorials on this programming line on Python, MySQL, mostly focusing on the database. So MySQL, SQLite, Tkinter, all this stuff on Python, then data analytics, pandas, NumPy and all. Further, even web programming also, PHP, MySQL, SQLite, JavaScript, HTML, CSS and jQuery. So all these areas also we are focusing. So you can see our tutorials. So follow us in YouTube. You just subscribe to our channel, so you will get all the notifications. Hit the bell icon. So and regularly we are adding tutorials also. You can ask questions regularly. I am coming online, and let's just show you one demo which we are and the description, that link is there in the description. You can just follow that, and I'll just show you how to copy that code from for this demo. First let's see the demo, then we'll see how you can copy it. So let's just let me just go to the app. Yeah, here it is. Let me just, I am just opening. I will, okay, fine. This is not a very, it's a small, I think 60 line of code, not a big one. Let us just start. Here I am, just a minute, I am starting. Okay, here I am. So this is the code. You can see the code is here. So in this code, previously we have seen the timer. So you can say set the timer and it will tell you time is over. Now that same thing we are doing now. What you are doing, we are keeping a text box. User can enter text, but it can only enter any text when he hits the start button, and when the time is over again it will be disabled, so it will not allow to further entry any text. So that way you can display what speed you are typing. So you can see that one. So that is, let's see the demo, then we'll see how you can download the code and all. Here it is. This counterpart this countdown timer we have discussed it yesterday. Now I'll just, you can see this we have discussed. Let me reduce it. Okay, I kept it at 5 seconds. this, but below that there is a text box, but this is not available right now. It is in disabled condition. To disable or enable the attribute is state, state. That state attribute, it can take enable, disable or normal. So right now it is disabled. To change the attribute, we have to use config or configure. So okay, now to make it enable, I have to start the timer, then only I can able to enter anything. So let me just start it. So now I can enter. Okay, welcome to plus2net over. So it is not for now, it is not allowing, I cannot enter. 19 characters, so 3.8 characters per second, that's the speed. So that is how this works. Now let's sorry. Friends, that's the demo part of it. This entire code is, first I will request you that you see the timer first. So the timer, how the timer works and all. Definitely there is a end of the timer, one event is there. There we are disabling the text box. And when we hit the start button, that button triggers one countdown one functions. Inside that we are enabling again for the user to entry. So this is not a very just extend little small extension of the countdown timer only. Now let me just show you how you can download it. Just a minute. Yeah, see this. Yes, you can see this. This is the countdown timer. This earlier countdown timer is here. Now here is the text and this is the image only. Can just read this. Everything is same here. Start countdown, the same start countdown. Now we are a little bit means extended it. Here you can see state user config, state is normal. When the countdown start, state became normal, and initially it will be disabled. So then because it's a text wizard, so earlier whatever was entered by the user, we are right from starting from the first line, first character till the end, we are removing it. So it is like resetting it. Then rest of the things are same. Here you can see text wizard initially, if it is not set, you can see text wizard config or configure you can use. State is disabled. So then initially, so it starts like that. So state is disabled, type the text. Now this is where the finally, once the countdown ends, so countdown there is no time left, then it what we do is we read the entire whatever the user entered, then we just calculate, and typing speed is total character entered, total time. That's the concept only. Now coming down, here is our main application. So this is the main application window, small code only. Here you can see we have text wizard. Just see here, state is disabled. So when you open the application, the state remains disabled. So because initially it should be disabled and should be enabled when you hit the start button. So that is the reason. And in the start button, we have seen here, you just see, okay, for the start button, start countdown function is called. So start countdown is this one, this the initiation. It first reads the what is the counter set, and if duration is greater than equal to 0, then it gives the error message. Otherwise, you just see text wizard. This is the part when countdown starts. The first thing, state is normal. From disable, we are shifted to normal. Then we delete if any previous any text is there. Initially, it will not be there. So then it calls the countdown. Then this function is our countdown timer, runs it. This is the code for the countdown timer. So that's all, friends. So here you can just click this to copy it. Let me just, I think some issue is there. I will set it out. You can just click this button and copy the entire code to your clipboard. So that's all, friends. So you hope you can that is how the thing works. The countdown, that is what we have discussed it yesterday to extend it, but this video tutorial tomorrow or day after will be available. So it's not ready now. Blog is ready, you can copy the code, but tutorial is the video part tutorial is not ready. Just wait. I think tomorrow I should able to complete it, or worst case day after tomorrow. And meanwhile, if you have anything to suggest, please feel free to ask here or below the tutorials also. And that's all, friends. This is the message just I want to give you all. So you can please with a request tomorrow also join me at 7:30 in the evening Indian Standard Time, and tell your friends also to join. Please hit the like button whenever you are seeing this, and you have any doubts, suggestion, ideas, questions, put it in the comment section. Accordingly I will respond it, and got some good feedbacks also. Your feedbacks will help us to further improve it. So don't hesitate to ask questions. Tell your friends also to join. That's all. Hope you will be regularly joining in our 7:30 Indian Standard Time evening session. We just joined for 10 minutes to discuss and to update you what are the new codes and all we have added. That's all, friends. Thank you. Thank you for watching.